Multiple threats are incoming. You have a limited force. What can you do? The town you defend is being advanced upon, and opposing forces marching split into two wings, one coming down a valley while the other advances down the main road. They plan to converge on the town from two different directions. You cannot be strong everywhere. The enemy presents more than one problem. If you try to match strength everywhere, you weaken your main effort. Economy of force is about managing risk, not avoiding it. Secondary enemy forces are dangerous, but not decisive. Some battle sectors exist to hold, not to win. Light troops in terrain can pin stronger forces. Rough ground, obstacles, or narrow approaches reduce enemy advantage. Terrain multiplies the effect of smaller forces, as previously seen by the Spartans at the Thermopylae Pass against the Persians. Saved combat power is committed to the decisive fight, now outnumbering the opposing isolated force. Artillery and infantry concentrated together for maximum damage. Economy of force exists to enable mass somewhere else. When the main enemy body collapses, secondary enemy force is irrelevant once the decision on the battlefield is made. Once the decisive fight is won, holding actions no longer matter. Relocate troops to destroy the other wing. A defeat in detail. Economy of force accepts risk, but it does so deliberately and intelligently. Good commanders choose where to be weak so they can be strong where it matters. During the World War II, the Allies bypassed heavily defended islands, using minimal forces to contain them while concentrating power against more decisive objectives like Iwo Jima and Okinawa. By accepting risk in some areas, commanders gain freedom of action elsewhere, and what they do with that freedom is the next principle, maneuver. This is Keith's Orders of Battle, Principles of War.